Knowing your keyword's current position is an important aspect of an SEO strategy. It helps you evaluate how well the current strategies are working and also plan the future strategies accordingly. There are hundreds of free and paid tools available in the market to help you do so. In today's video, I'm going to present to you one of my favorite go-to tool for rank tracking. This is an absolute simple tool to use and highly recommended for beginners in their SEO journey. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. And yes, a quick introduction for those of you who are viewing me for the first time. My name is Saurabh Mishra, and I'm the CEO of EOSys Private Limited. My company is into SEO and website development. Over the last 12 years, we have helped hundreds of clients in India and abroad to build their websites and plan their digital marketing strategies. So, now let's get started. So, let me move to my computer screen. Okay. Okay, so you'll open Google and type small SEO tools keyword rank checker. The first the first result that you'll see, you can click on that. So the name of the tool is keyword rank checker. This is the name, and it is brought to you by company Small SEO Tools. So you can just scroll down a bit and you'll find this form. The best thing that I love about this tool is that it doesn't require any login or sign up, and it's super easy to use. And you'll understand that in a moment. So here you'll enter the URL of the website for which you want to check the rankings. I'll enter my website URL here, and in the search engines you can select the country for which you want to check the current ranking. So I'll select India. It also gives you an option to track the ranking for different devices. So it has desktop, tablet, mobile. I'll select desktop for now. And now here you can enter the keywords. You have to be careful and enter the keyword in new line. Okay, and you can check up to 10 keywords in one go. So I'll quickly enter. Okay, so my first keyword is SEO company in Navi Mumbai. That's where my office is. Then it would be website development company in Mumbai. Okay, now let's go with mobile app development company in Mumbai. So I'll just restrict to three. You can enter 10 keywords here. The interesting part, you can even enter competitors' URL to check their rankings as well. And then you have to do a reCAPTCHA validation over here. Let me do that quickly. Once you're done that, you will click check keyword position. That's it. It just starts loading and it will take you down. Yeah, over here it's just crawling and seeing the current ranking for the keywords. So as you can see, it has already popped in a result for one of the keywords. So let me explain this table to you. The first column is the keyword that you searched for. In this case, SEO company Navi Mumbai. I searched that. Below that, it will show you the URL that is appearing in the search engine result page. Okay, so in this case, this is the URL that is coming in the SERP page. The second column is the current ranking for that particular keyword. So in this case, I'm ranking number one. Kudos. And the third column will tell you the search volume. SV stands for search volume. It tells you what is the search volume for this keyword on a monthly basis. So it's 30. The second keyword in Mumbai, I'm ranking 9, and the search volume is 70. And mobile app development company in Mumbai, I'm ranking 4. Okay. There are other columns as well. So column number 4 and 5, it's locked. It's available once you log in. So it's not a very big game changer, but yeah, if you want to take a look at it, you can log in. So that's it. And then you have interesting option. You can download it in an Excel format, save it uh, in a drive or something to refer in future to see the progress of your ranking. You can share this report with someone you want to consult with, and you can click this to start searching for more keywords. Very simple tool, no fuss. If you're just a beginner, this is good enough. Or if you are running a blog or some other small websites, this tool would be good to go. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to buy subscription of tools, of other tools, paid tools. Now it's my responsibility to also tell you what are the shortcomings in this rank checking tool, so that I'm making you aware of everything. Okay. So okay, so I'll start with the first one. Over here it gives me an option to search by country, India. Now in most advanced tools, you also get the option to select the region. Okay, so in India I can select Mumbai. That's where my office is. And once you do that in other tools, let's say Uber Suggest, you'll also find that the search volume increases, and honestly in increases it goes twofold in many cases as well, and ranking even improvises. So that is one of the shortcoming which I observed over here. Second shortcoming would be that it doesn't give you the growth in your position. It asks you to log in, it doesn't give you that before login, so that could be considered as one of the cons. But if you are just a beginner, I don't think that would matter, and you can very well export it and save it in a drive. So these were some of the shortcomings which I found, two of them which I highlighted to you. I don't recall any other specifically right now. But if you really want to take a look at how advanced tools help you track the performance of the keywords, you can check out my other video. It will be in the description or somewhere here. I'll attach it. I have done an analysis of Uber Suggest. It's a tool by Neil Patel, and a paid tool. It has a freemium version as well, but a really good one which I frequently use. So that's it from my side, a good free SEO tool to help you check the current rankings for your keywords. So if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe us for more interesting videos like this. Thank you so much.